This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Place chocks each side of the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the rear of the front subframe, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis member. Undo the 2 retaining bolts at the front, 2 bolts or a bolt and nut each side, and 2 bolts at the rear, securing the undertray to the underbody and subframe. Suitably support the undertray and release the front locking hook. Lower the front of the undertray, disengage the rear brackets from the subframe, and remove the undertray from under the vehicle. Cover the expansion tank cap with a wad of rag and slowly turn the cap anti-clockwise to relieve the pressure in the cooling system. Wait until any pressure remaining in the system is released, then continue to turn the cap until it can be removed. Place a large drain tray underneath the front-facing side of the engine towards the transmission end. Unscrew the coolant drain plug from the metal coolant pipe and allow the coolant to drain into the tray. To speed up the draining process, release the retaining clip and disconnect the radiator bottom hose from the thermostat housing. With the draining complete, reconnect the hose to the thermostat housing and secure it with the retaining clip. Check the condition of the drain plug sealing washer and renew it if necessary. Refit the drain plug and tighten it securely. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Maneuver the undertray into position. Locate the rear brackets in the subframe and engage the hook at the front. Refit the various fasteners around the edge of the undertray and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Where fitted, open the bleed screw located in the heater matrix coolant hose. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the coolant level up to the maximum mark on the side of the expansion tank. On engines with a bleed screw, close the screw as soon as coolant is seen to emerge. Squeeze the radiator top and bottom hoses to help expel any air trapped in the system. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check the coolant level in the expansion tank and top up if necessary. Note that the system must be cold before an accurate level is indicated in the expansion tank.